Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Students, today we shall solve class 10th secondary examination science paper part 2 objective questions of set C. Question number 1. The radius of curvature of a spherical mirror is 10 centimeter. What is its focal length? Correct answer is 5 centimeter. Now question number 2. The human eye forms the image of an object at its retina. Option B, retina is correct. Now question 3. We are solving section A, physics of set C. Now question 3. The twinkling of a star is due to dash of light. Correct answer is atmospheric refraction. The twinkling of a star is due to atmospheric refraction of light. Now question 4. The SI unit of electric current is ampere. Correct answer is option B, ampere. Now question 5. How many electricity can be produced by a solar cell? Correct answer is 0.7 watt. Option C is correct. Now question 6. Maximum content of biogas is methane. So correct answer is option A, methane. Now seventh one. In a thermal power station, dash energy is converted into electric energy. Students, correct answer is chemical energy. In a thermal power station, chemical energy is converted into electric energy, so we have to write chemical. Now question number 8. A solar water heater cannot be used to get hot water on. Here correct answer is option C, a cloudy day. Now question number 9. The industry based on forest products is, correct answer is option A, paper industry. Now question 10. The Chipko Andolan is associated with, students, Chipko Andolan is associated with forest. चिपको आंदोलन जो है वनों से संबंधित है, तो करेक्ट आंसर है इसका ऑप्शन सी, फॉरेस्ट. नाउ सेक्शन बी, केमिस्ट्री. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. जो दिया गया रिएक्शन है वो एग्जाम्पल है combination reaction का. The above reaction is an example of a combination reaction. Option A is correct. Now question number 12. Decomposition reactions are opposite to dash reactions. Correct answer is combination reactions. Now question number 13. What is the common name of the compound CaOCl2? तो स्टूडेंट्स इसका होगा ब्लीचिंग पाउडर. क्वेश्चन 14. विच मेटल कैन बी कट बाय नाइफ इजीली? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, Na. नाउ 15th वन. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ फॉस्फोरस इज, तो फॉस्फोरस का जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है वो है 285. नाउ क्वेश्चन 16. ए सीरीज ऑफ कंपाउंड्स इन विच द सेम फंक्शनल ग्रुप सब्स्टिट्यूट्स फॉर हाइड्रोजन इन ए कार्बन चेन इज कॉल्ड ए होमोलॉगस सीरीज. करेक्ट आंसर इज होमोलॉगस सीरीज. नाउ 17th वन. केमिकल फॉर्मूला ऑफ बुटेन इज, तो स्टूडेंट्स इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, C4H10. C4H10. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. कंपाउंड्स ऑफ कार्बन विच आर लिंक्ड बाय ओनली वन सिंगल बॉन्ड बिटवीन द कार्बन एटम्स आर कॉल्ड एल्केन्स. करेक्ट आंसर इज एल्केन्स. नाउ सेक्शन सी, लाइफ साइंस. Question number 19. The xylem in plants are responsible for. Correct answer is option B, transport of water. Now next question, dash collect the blood from different organs and bring it back to the heart. Correct answer is superior and inferior vena cava. Superior and inferior vena cava collect the blood from different organs and bring it back to the heart. Now question number 21. Which one of the following is not secreted by gastric glands? Correct answer is trypsin. Option B, trypsin is right. Now question 22. Control and coordination are the functions of the dash and dash in our bodies. Correct answer of question number 22 is nervous system and hormones. Control and coordination are the functions of the nervous system and hormones in our bodies. Now question number 23. The vertebral column or backbone which protects the spinal cord. Correct answer is spinal cord. Question number 24. Which of the following mode is involved in asexual reproduction in Plasmodium? Correct answer is multiple fission, बहुखंडन. Option B right है. Now question 25. The anther contains pollen grains. Option D, pollen grains is right. Question 26. Each trait of a child can be influenced by both paternal and maternal DNA. Correct answer is DNA. Now question 27. Female have dash chromosomes. Correct answer is XX. Female have XX chromosomes. Now question 28. Secondary consumers come at which trophic level? तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा थर्ड. Secondary consumers come at third trophic level. Question 29. Which of the following is not a natural ecosystem? तो करेक्ट आंसर यहाँ पर होगा क्रॉप फील्ड. क्रॉप फील्ड इज नॉट ए नेचुरल इकोसिस्टम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. डैश लेयर शील्ड्स द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ फ्रॉम अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशन फ्रॉम द सन. करेक्ट आंसर इज ओजोन लेयर. तो आंसर हो जाएगा ओजोन. तो स्टूडेंट्स आज हमने क्लास 10 साइंस का सेट सी सॉल्व किया. यदि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.